Today we would understand how Physiogears ultrasonic with 2-channel TENS is operated. This has been divided into 2 different parts. First part, namely the ultrasonic machine, and the second part is the 2-channel TENS. The very first is to set up the timer in accordance to the time frame we want to take the therapy session. Now come, let's understand how to use the very first part of this machine called the ultrasonic. In this, first of all, we would attach the handle to the machine. Now we can see in this ultrasonic machine we have been given 2 different modes. First one being the pulse mode, and the second one is the continuous mode, which we can check with the help of water. In pulse mode, the water would evaporate in the pulse mode, whereas in continuous mode the water would evaporate in the continuous mode. Now in this ultrasonic, if we need more or less hit, it can be managed with the help of the intensity knob. Now come, let's understand the second part of this machine, which is called the 2-channel TENS. In this, first of all, we would attach the wires and pads, as you can see in the video. Next, with the help of Velcro, we would attach the pads to the body part, as you can see in the video. Now, as per requirement, we can increase or decrease the intensity and frequency of the TENS.